Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Okta user data using exports and backups, full guide step by step clearly. To backup Okta user data, begin by logging into your Okta admin dashboard. Once logged in, navigate to the directory option from the main menu. Under the directory tab, select people to access your user data. In the people section, you will see a list of all users in your organization. To export the user data, locate that Actions drop-down menu. Click on that Actions menu and select Export from the options available. A prompt will appear, asking you to specify the format for the export. Choose your preferred file format, either CSV or JSON. Once you've made your selection, click on the Export button to initiate the download. The system will compile all user data based on your selected format and prompt you to save the file. Select the destination on your device where you want to save the exported file. After the download completes, confirm that the file contains all the necessary user information. Next, consider backing up your Okta configurations along with user data. Navigate to the admin dashboard and find the security settings. Under Security, look for API and click on it. You will see the option to generate an API token to help with automated backups. Create a new API token and save it securely for future use. With the API token, you can use scripts or external software to schedule regular backups. Ensure that your backup system complies with data protection regulations. Once you've set up an automated backup system, periodically verify that backups are successful. Finally, store your backup files in a secure location to protect against data loss. By following these steps, you'll ensure that your Okta user data is safely backed up and retrievable. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.